message is transmitted at the request of the Mushroom Kingdom Office of Missing Persons. At 4 o'clock a.m. Mushroom Daylight Time this morning, a stork carrying 2 babies was attacked. The babies are now missing. 2 of the attacked persons have been abducted, and the third was reported falling from the attack site to the sea near Yoshi's Island. It is believed that the stork was one of the abducted persons, meaning that one of the babies has fallen to the sea. The first baby was last seen wearing blue overalls, a red shirt and a red hat with an M on it. The second baby was last seen wearing blue overalls, a green shirt, and a green hat with an L on it. The stork is white with a yellow-orange beak. The perpetrator is capable of flight and was reported to be speeding towards the lava-filled area on Yoshi's Island. If you have any information related to this attack, contact the Mushroom Kingdom Office of Missing Persons and the Yoshis of Yoshi's Island.